OMG, look what we got. It's the Kobalt 40 volt max self-propelled lawnmower. Take a look at our old one. Hubby says it's 100 years old. I think it's 200 years old. So what we're going to do is open this box, test it out, and we'll let you know how it works.
Okay, let's see what we got inside. I'll just grab my old trusty pocket knife. So it's a two-piece handle. So you gotta take it in. There we go. So those are tight. These things, they just turn 90 degrees. Pull out, turn, and then you can adjust the height, or that's how you fold it over for storage. So that's pretty neat. That's the grass chute, if you want to shoot it out the side. That's a little louder than I thought it would be, but definitely still quieter than a gas mower. So the lower handle's for the self-propelled mode. And here you got the speed. This is the power button. You press it first and pull back the handle. Battery doesn't come fully charged in the box, but as you can see, it did a really nice job, so I'm impressed.